Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. If this is your first time here, you are welcome. Today I'm showing you how to make a very simple but yummy pasta dish that will make you ask for more. If you're interested in this video, keep watching. Don't forget to click the like button, subscribe, turn on your notification so you'll be notified anytime I post a video.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile.
For this recipe, you need some penny pasta or any pasta of your choice. You also be needing onions, green bell peppers, carrots, roughly chopped peppers, that's yellow and red pepper, smoked fish, vegetable oil, or any cooking oil of your choice, some tomato paste, garlic paste, chicken bouillon cube, curry, thyme, and some salt to taste. For the full ingredients, it will be in the description box down below, so be sure to check it out. In a boiling water, add the penny pasta. Allow it to cook for 5 minutes and drain it. I'm keeping some of the pasta water for the rest of the recipe. In a dry pan, add some vegetable oil. Add the onions, stir fry for about 30 seconds to 1 minute before adding the garlic. Next, add the garlic, chopped peppers and tomato puree. Mix together continuously for a few minutes until it is perfectly fried. Next, add some of the pasta water we left behind. Then season with chicken bouillon cube, thyme, curry, and some salt to taste. Mix everything together, then cover, allow it to fry for 3 to 5 minutes until it is well fried. This is what the stew should look like after 5 minutes of frying. At this point, the kitchen smells so amazing. Add the smoked fish, add the remaining water from the pasta, mix everything together to combine. Cover and allow to simmer for a few seconds. Mix the cooked pasta with the sauce. Ensure that each pasta piece is coated with the sauce. Mix everything together to combine. Pour in the carrot at this point and mix everything thoroughly. Cover the pot now, allow it to cook for the final 2 minutes before adding the bell peppers. Stir everything together to combine. Take the pot off the heat immediately. Don't allow the vegetable to get soggy. Serve on a plate and enjoy, guys. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. There's so many more delicious recipes to share on this channel. Share my videos to your friends and family so that they can learn new recipes. Don't forget to click the notification bell so that you will get notified anytime I post a new recipe. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want more of this video or want me to share more recipes like this, let me know in the comment section and I will do that. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.